Hey y'all, let's go to the Dollar General and look for some last minute gift ideas. Okay, so these little take-alone cups right here are perfect. You can pair them with a crochet cozy, and it's perfect, inexpensive crochet gift. Guys, I was super surprised when I found out that my Dollar General carried yarn. I knew the Dollar Tree did, but not the Dollar General. And this is Lion brand. So this is a re-up recycled cotton yarn. I don't know if you can kind of see it here. I've got it all zoomed in really closely. But this is only $1.75. So you can pick up a few of these and make you quite a few dishcloths. Maybe one, two, three, four, however many you want. I'm not really keen on all the color choices, but I'll make it work. For a last minute gift deal, this is perfect. Guys, I know that these look like just regular ornaments, but look how cute these are. You can pair this with your dishcloths, make it a really cute little ensemble, and you'll have a nice little gift. So I'm going to go ahead and look at some more of these ornaments here, and then I'm probably going to pick up a few. I think this is a great idea, and these are super cute, and guys, they're only $1. Okay, so now my Dollar Tree was pretty picked through, but that's okay. I kind of went a little late. So now you got to get really creative when you start shopping a little bit later in the season, but that's okay. So right now I'm just kind of looking around, seeing what they have, seeing what I can do. But as you see, like the shelves are getting pretty bare. But I've got two great ideas for gifts. So I really don't need anything like gift worthy, but I think presentation is key here. So if we can find some really neat little boxes or some kind of way to jazz up the presentation of the gift, I think it's going to still work out beautifully. So at this point, I'm just kind of looking around and seeing what either I can create or buy to just jazz up the gift just a little bit. So these little Santa bags are super cool. I like them because you can like store stuff in them, whether it's just like to hide presents away or like pillows or whatever. I have these already. I have a couple already, but I get them at the end of the season. Definitely not full price. So anyway, I was looking for some small boxes. I can't find any to put the little dishcloths in, so I'm going to use these larger boxes and I'm going to kind of jazz them up a little bit so that they fit. So I'll show you how I do that in a second. So I almost forgot to get tape. Guys, do you have a preference in tape? I like to get that magic tape. I don't really care so much for transparent tape. Anyway, just a preference. Let's keep going. So here are those Santa bags again. These are the felt ones, so they're a little less expensive, but I still like to get these at the end of the season. And what I typically do is I'll just stuff my throw pillows in these bags to make them look really full, and it allows me to put out my holiday pillows. So that's what I do with them, and I'll come back at the end of the season to get them. And I do need to get this bag here. Okay, so we're almost done. I need to get a couple of things for my holiday candy. Do you guys have like a preference of holiday candy? I absolutely love those like nougat type peppermints. They only come out around Christmas time. And then I'm looking for these like Andes chocolate. They're not Andes chocolate, but they're like the chocolate you get from Olive Garden. Oh, look here, yay! One bag left. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and I don't see the other candy, but I'm sure I'll find it before the holiday is over. It's just those peppermint type candies that are like kind of taffy like. I don't know. They're really good though, guys, if you haven't tried them. Okay, so all I need to now get is one more roll of wrapping paper and then I'll be done. Yes. So I'm looking for a particular color. I don't know. How do you guys wrap your kids' gifts? I typically like to wrap one kid's gifts in one color, another kid in another color, and then kind of just keep it easy for the passing out part of Christmas. But I don't know. I like this one here, so I'll just go ahead and grab it and finish my shopping trip. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it. I'm all done. I've got all my gifts, and I'll show you how I used them, how I created my little projects and stuff in another video. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the little shopping excursion. I'll see you next time. Bye. So really quickly, if you want to learn how I folded that box to make it work, all you have to do is just kind of fold one end so that it meets the flap of the other side. Kind of follow along here, and just fold it, press it down pretty hard, guys. It is cardboard, so just like that. You're basically trying to just make an indentation, and then you're going to fold the other side meeting the other flap. So basically that's what you're doing. You're creating that indentation so you know exactly where to cut. Just like that. Like so, like that. All right. Now that you have your indented lines pretty well formed, well defined, just use your scissors and cut, creating a little flap on both sides. Just like that. You guys, this is easy. You can do this for any size boxes that you find. So if you need a smaller box, this is perfect for making a smaller size box. That is no fuss, okay? I use staples to kind of to attach the flap to the box, but you can also use tape. So if you don't have a stapler, just use some tape and that works just fine, or even a dab of glue would work as well. So just like that. Perfect. And that's it. Yay! So if you don't want to wrap something, you can do this, add a little bow, or you can go ahead and wrap the box if you're using the white part, the bottom portion of the box. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about anything, please leave them in the comment section down below. And this time for real, bye. See you in my next video.